Digital Manipur Shemgatnaba asi matamga chunaba amasung chawkhatpa Manipur Shemgatnabagi Yumpham Thonbani haina Chief Minister Yumpham Khemchana phongdoragle Department of Information and Technology amasung Microsoft India na sinduna Manipur da laiba Civil Secretariat ki South Block da laiba Main Conference Hall da pangthokpa ahanba state level digital governance AI, Cyber Security and Skill Workshop ta wafam asi mahakna phongdokhibane Thoram aduda Chief Minister Yumpham Khemchana hai Manipur asi digital gi lamda chawkhat hannaba honabada ngasi pangthokliba thoram asina achawba mating ama pangba ngamlagane Government of Manipur na Microsoft ko khutsamnaraga IT sector da akhanaba meeting changdakliba asina lengak londa Achauba ahongba ama purakpaga loinana lamdam asige nahasingda khudongchaba kaya piba ngamlagani haibagi ajetpa thajaba lei khongthang asi Manipur gi miyamgi ponsirolda achauba ahongba ama puraknabagi pandam amaga loinana paikhatpane Manipur lengangna digital ecosystem ama thamnaga lamdam asige mipum khodimak yawba citizen centric oiba state ama ohenna bohonade khongthang asige khuthangda Manipurda lairiba mipum khudingmakna lengakna piriba service khudingmak idai laina lauba phanghalagane Microsoft Skill Initiative ki makhada lengagasena lamdamasigi naha lengaki official amadi entrepreneur khudingmak AI Cyber Security ki matangda hena khanghanaba chapchaba thosul kaya paikhatle masidagi phanglakpa mahai singa dogi matengna lawu singu analayeng mahai masing tamba tourism amadi digital service na chingba hiram kaya da thabak pibada natana entrepreneurship ki anauba lambi kaya semnabagi khudongchaba phanghalagane nakalamoromda digital transformation gi ihawasiga loinana miyamge privacy amasung security ngak senduna thamnabaso leingakna hotnare ngasi pangthokliba thoramasana lamdamasigi industry gi luchingba leingaki loisang mahi loisang public sector organization amade startup singna Microsoft punna Chaminaduna, Manipur gi digital gi tunglam chadama Shemgatnaba honabada achawba mating panglagane. Maramaduna miyam na mikup asidagi hauraga anoba wakhalon kayaga loinana technology gi mateng na digital Manipur ama Shemgatnaba honaminarasi hainaso Chief Minister Yumpham Khemchana makhata na phongdokhi.
Our vision is very clear. We want to build a digital ecosystem that is secure, citizen-centric and inclusive. We are committed to ensuring that every citizen, regardless of where they live, can access efficient and transparent government services. Through Microsoft's skilling initiatives, we seek to equip our youth, government officials, the entrepreneurs, and capabilities of artificial intelligence, cyber security, etc. This skill will open new pathways for employment, innovation and entrepreneurship, particularly in the sector of agriculture, healthcare, education, tourism, and digital services. As we accelerated our digital transformation, we remain equally committed to protecting the privacy and the security of our citizens.